Well, then Mr. Meredith has done exactly what he's supposed to do for you. He's got the very best deal worked out for you. If you abide by the terms and conditions of the pretrial intervention, the state will dismiss the charges.
Last month, a naive, young, wannabe sovereign citizen appeared before Florida's no-nonsense judge Brantley Clark in Panama City, Florida, on charges of unlawful possession of a controlled substance, giving a false name to police, and resisting without violence.
Last week, the out of custody pretrial, because he wasn't able to get to Panama City.
Okay. Come on up, Mr. Williams. Okay.
Judge, he had been offered a pretrial intervention. We had supplied that to him, and I'm not sure what his intentions are. All right.
You understand a pretrial intervention is an agreement you have with the state that's basically supervised by the probation and parole, and then the case is dismissed if you successfully complete the that term.
Sounds like a honey of a deal to me. My advice, young man, grab it and run. But we're dealing with a wannabe sovereign, a student of TikTok law. What a shame. This kid needs to read our book. I do not consent. It's easy enough of a read for even him to understand. I do not consent. Join hundreds of YouTube fans in ordering your copy today. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description. I do not consent. Because understanding is the first step to restoring order.
Could you repeat it? Pretrial intervention is a program that's offered by the state, and it's supervised by the Florida Department of Corrections. It's like probation, but it's not probation. It's an agreement that if you successfully complete the pretrial intervention, the state drops the charges against you.
I spoke with my public defender, and he gave me the terms and the things that I have to do, and I didn't agree with him.
Okay.
And I don't understand.
Sir?
I don't understand. So, like, the charges would be dropped.
If you successfully,
If you did all those terms.
you have to abide by those terms and conditions, and the case would be dropped.
Could I ask a couple questions?
You ask Mr. Meredith.
I did. I mean, I spoke with him shortly. I didn't really get all I really spoke of. What we went over was the terms.
We had several phone conferences that were scheduled.
Yeah, we missed a lot due to the time difference.
Sir?
I said, but we missed a lot due to the time difference.
He was on Eastern time, and he would call an hour late.
I mean, a pretrial intervention is about as good as it gets. If you can take it or not take it, are we ready to set it for trial?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to do trial.
Well, then Mr. Meredith has done exactly what he's supposed to do for you. He's got the very best deal worked out for you. If you abide by the terms and conditions of the pretrial intervention, the state will dismiss the charges.
So the charges are brought upon me are by the state?
Well, who do you think brought them?
I thought I had a party.
Huh?
I thought it was an injured party.
The injured party, aren't they dope cases?
What is the jurisdiction of it? Is it criminal or
I
civil?
don't think you're near as smart as you think you are.
I'm just asking questions.
Yeah, you're not. Your possession of a controlled substance, giving false name, causing adverse effect. I guess there could be a victim on that. And resisting officer without violence. So, I don't know anything about the case, but it looks like you might have got a gave somebody else's name.
You just told me that the state was the.
The state's the only person who can charge you. Nobody else can charge you. It's the state. The victims can't charge you. They're just the alleged victims. They can't charge you. They can't do anything except make a complaint. But you've got offered a pretrial intervention. If you do the pretrial intervention, the state will drop the charges against you. If you don't meet the pretrial intervention, you come back to court and you start your defense again.
I don't wish to argue the facts.
Let's set it for trial.
Yes, sir.
Let's set it for May 5th at 8. Let's set it for June. What was that June date? June 2nd at 8:30. And it will be May 23rd. At 1:30 for trial management.
Okay.
And if you change your mind and want to enter the pretrial intervention, you probably need to discuss that with Mr. Meredith. But remember, he's on Eastern Standard Time. Okay?
No, I'm on
He's
Central.
Central Standard Time. You're on Eastern Standard Time. Okay? If you'll step over and sign a notice. Safe trip back to Gainesville. Step right over here and sign a notice, sir.
As it stands, unless he changes his mind, woeful Mr. Williams will be going to trial on June 2nd. We'll be watching for it. Here are some other videos we think you'll enjoy. If you like this video and would like to help our channel grow, please click like, leave a comment about this video or a general comment about our channel or our book, and please subscribe.